Today I'm talking about how to iron with duct tape. This is a military grade or industrial grade type tape. You can use duct tape to mend pieces of garments or kits. I first came upon this technique in my years of working search and rescue. I found that a lot of people in the search and rescue scene, particularly in the Western United States, were in the habit of using duct tape with an iron to melt the duct tape onto their jacket. There's 4 things you need to utilize this technique. You need the garment itself, obviously. You need an iron, duct tape, and you need electricity. I've got a small hole here. This is the one we're gonna patch up for this video. Here's the setup. I got a small table, got the iron, got the duct tape, got the jacket. Here's our problem child, our little hole. Take a square off. I hope that camera's catching this. I hope it is. Yeah, I'm gonna smooth this out and smush that on. So here's our square. And apply my iron. Smush this on with the iron. And what you want to look for is a sort of fusing of the edge of that tape, and it will give you a sense that it's melting onto the fabric. Whoops, see what happened there? Too hot. Too hot. I'm not so concerned cosmetically. This is not appealing, but the hole was over here and the hole's covered. That's what I'm concerned about. It's not going to win any fashion awards for this, but still functional because that hole fundamentally got covered up. Too hot. That iron got too hot. Okay, guys, so this has been Ironing with Duct Tape with your host, Levergun Bum. I hope you got something out of this, and if you did, hey, like and subscribe, and if you didn't, don't like and never watch again. Your call. But as always, remember, God bless you and God bless America.